See, when the car starts, this start system fault comes. You see, now when it goes off, yeah, it came up, right? So when you press this, when you off this, it will go off, right? So how do you sort this matter when it comes start stop fault, stop system fault, and either malfunctioning or it's disabled or something? There was a message came up here earlier, but I fixed it. What I did was, when I took my vehicle to the dealers and they ran the scan showed nothing. To be honest, the scan did not show any fault signified in the car. So what they did, they were clueless as well actually, and ultimately there was something in the battery. I just suggested them actually to let's just if it's just something related to the battery, because the start stop functioning mainly if your battery is not properly charged, if your battery is not in its full strength. I have witnessed this function is not working, so I just suggested them that let's restart the battery function, and it all went away. So what you have to do is you just go open your hood, right? Let's do that. Open your hood. Okay, I'm sorry about my all the stuff in here. Okay, so when you come here, this is my battery compartment. You remove the battery here, right? Okay, I have put a this is my second battery. I have put a hammer on, so don't worry about that. It's another part that you can go with the authorized Audi battery. So either you can go with some other battery, it's up to you. So whatever the battery is almost brand new. Okay, so then what here they have to do is, if you can see, this is a small fuse in here. Actually this is a sort of a sensor which gets the battery charging values. So what I suggested them, they just remove this fuse from here and fix it back. When I did that, when I restart the car, that error is gone. So it's simple as that. So you can try that. If you got this start stop malfunctioning error, just can come to your battery. It might be different, the compartment and everything will be different, but there might be you will find a small that the sensor comes like like a fuse. It connect to the battery. You just can you can I'm not going to do that here because I don't have enough tool and all here. So you can just put a tool and you can just pull it out and then again plug in. If you are not capable of doing that, you better get somebody who's professionals help, but still you can do it yourself and you can get rid of that start stop malfunctioning thing. But the other part is that start stop malfunctioning thing is nothing much to worry actually. It just does not show much of the things related to the main system in the car. But with what I went through, I just want to let you know, it's not when there's a error message comes in your computer in the car, it's a headache. I know how the pain is. I have been there and I know how you feel. So now, first of all, you don't have to worry much. You can sort it the matter. You just don't have to spend a lot on that. Just can work out as I said. Thank you very much.